All right, here's the last one. You should never clean your toilet with a toilet brush. Experts warn.
Oh,
You ever seen a brush for the toilet?
I don't want to.
What do you mean? You never saw one before?
Like up close? I know it's dirty. It's like...
No, I'm not telling you to see it up close. I'm just asking if you ever used it before.
Of course, yeah, I use it. Like,
Yeah.
every week.
So everyone has that. Like
Yeah.
you put it in a side and everyone has this thing. And then they're saying, don't you dare keep that thing around. They're saying, don't even use it. Don't bother buying it in the first place. These experts.
Okay.
They say this common tool sitting next to most toilets in the U.S. Should be done away with. Toilet brushes. Here we go. What does it say? A fetid liquid bacteria soup at the bottom of every toilet brush holder. Toilet brushes can be hazardous to your health. Keep in mind, the bacteria from the toilet water and the trapped fecal matter and toilet paper is unsanitary and unhealthy. And as it sits in the little container there, it allows extra toxic bacteria to harbor and grow, causing you illness such as urinary tract infections, diarrhea, and respiratory illness. Because you might like take the thing and then rub too high on the thing and then brush the bottom and then you just reintroduce the...
Yeah. Oh.
Because you don't clean... How do you clean the brush? You can't clean the brush.
Exactly, yeah. You can't clean the brush.
It's too... You can't really clean it.
Every time I like pick it up, man, like...
You think something's off about it.
No, I just feel like I want to throw up. Because it's like, it's just... You know where it's been. And it's not being cleaned.
You can't clean the brush.
Yeah. And it's right beside where you do your business. So...
You want to know what they're saying, Will? They're just saying put your rubber gloves on and do it by hand. And then flush it. Just
do it by hand?
Yeah, that's what they're saying. They're saying just reach in there. Just reach in there and wipe it down with rubber gloves on.
Oh, with no brush?
No brush. They're saying be done with the brush.
Oh.
Just get in there and scrub it and dispose of the contents. There are contraptions that will actually hold a little flushable piece, and you'll clean with that, and then you'll flush the piece.
Or use like toilet paper.
Yeah,
right?
they want you to do toilet paper with a cleaner and latex gloves.
Right.
Yeah.
And then you throw the gloves away?
I'm guessing, right? Yeah, they're disposable, right? You have a whole pack of those.
Oh, right, yeah, those ones.
I don't know. Yeah, now you're going for the environment aspect. I'm trying to save your life here, Will.
Yeah.
Trying to help you avoid diarrhea and respiratory issues.
Well, yeah, that helps.
But
I don't want that.
Yeah, I don't know. It's one of those weird things that everybody knows is nasty, but it's always there.
Yeah. Ugh.
The toilet brush. You got to reach in there. Get ready, Will. Next time around.
Yeah, I'm surprised that there isn't like some sort of invention for it.
No, there is. There is. Yeah, you haven't seen it. We can tell the people right now, but like if you go to toilet cleaning device, I mean, I'm sure you're going to see it, man. It's not a brush. It would be a little puck thing, and you chuck it out after. I think Lysol makes one. Where the hell is it?
This thing?
Yeah, exactly.
Put it in the toilet bowl?
Oh, no, that's a different one.
Oh.
There's one where it's on a stick and you scrub and then you click off the actual end piece and it goes in the trash can.
Oh, really?
The part that was used to scrub. I'm telling you, man.
Okay. Well, people should check that out.
You're very upset about this one. I thought we were on our way out with this show, but now you really want to get to the bottom of it. You're very upset.
Why isn't there like...
You're very upset.
You know the toilet lid, when you close it, why can't there be like a UV light there that just shines on the toilet?
Well, because the UV ain't going to do anything for whatever chunks of crap are stuck in there.
No?
No. UV will sanitize to an extent, but it can't break down that degree of material in the speed that you're going to need it to operate.
Yeah.
You know? Somebody's got to figure this out. But
yeah.
I'm telling you, I feel like there's a product that's close. I don't know why I'm not seeing it right now.
Okay, well.
Toilet cleaning device. What's the matter with me? And now that you extended this, I feel we have no.
Did you imagine this?
No, I just feel like we have no way out of here because we have to identify what the product is in order to escape this show.
Yeah, we want to help the people.
The people deserve it at this point. They've gone. If they're still here at this point right now, then they absolutely deserve it. Okay, I'm gonna type disposable.
Okay, I'm just gonna look at crypto prices. Here.
What do I got here? Oh, is that it? Scotch Brite disposable toilet scrubber. Yes, there we go. You can look that up.
Scotch Brite?
Clorox makes one too. It's called the toilet wand. Maybe that's easier for you. But Scotch Brite makes a toilet scrubber disposable, and Clorox has a toilet wand. There you go. You see how it works? The portion at the bottom is what you're scrubbing with. You press the button, it goes into the trash can, and it's done.
Do you have one of these?
No, I don't. I've had it in the past.
Oh, okay.
But I
You're
guess
using that old toilet brush?
I guess the trouble with this is you got to buy the refills, and
Right.
it's kind of
$6.
6 for 20. But actually, probably the refills
This
are.
is Canadian prices.
And probably the refills cost less than the starter kit where you had to get the whole wand.
Oh,
and
right.
everything.
Yeah.
But anyway, yeah, you got to remember to.
Wow, you convinced me.
You got to remember just to buy the refill. But all of a sudden, I mean, I'm going to save you from diarrhea and respiratory illness. So
There you go.
I don't know, maybe it's worth it.